Another day, another English lesson. The zero conditional, general truths and facts. Hi there! Today we are looking at the zero conditional. We use it to talk about things that are always true, facts, science, and habits. The structure is simple. If plus, subject plus, simple present, subject plus, simple present. Example, if you heat ice, it melts. This is different from other conditionals because it is not about the future or imagination. It is about things that always happen, every single time. We can also use when instead of if, and the meaning stays the same. Example, when water freezes it turns to ice. Here is a simple test for the zero conditional. Ask yourself, is this always true? If yes, use the zero conditional. If you are guessing about the future, use a different conditional instead. One more pair of examples. If plants don't get sunlight, they die. This is a fact of nature, so we use the zero conditional. When the sun sets, it gets dark. This is also always true. Remember, the zero conditional is for facts, science, and habits. Use the simple present in both parts of the sentence. Now you try. Complete these zero conditional sentences. Use the correct simple present form of the verb in parentheses. One, if you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. Two, plants die if they don't get water. Three, if I drink coffee at night, I can't sleep. Four, metal expands when it gets hot. Five, if you mix blue and yellow, you get green. Six, babies cry when they are hungry. Seven, if the temperature drops below zero, water freezes. Eight, my dog barks when someone knocks on the door. Thanks for using this worldwide ELT language video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.